You have been watched these people do incredible jobs, witnessing the technical skills, combined with speed as well. So does one know what these are noted? Artisan? Or craftsman? Well, not wrong by definition, but it seems to lose the spirit of what they do. As far as I know, Japanese apprentices are all taught that people who reach a level of technical skill, and either imply an attitude and social consciousness, is called Shokunin. Shokunin demonstrates knowledge of tools and skill in their use, ability to form beauty with incredible speed. Thus, the pride of Shokunin is the simultaneous achievement of skill and speed. An object's value depends on a subtle combination of skill and speed. This is what the apprentice's master and his colleagues teach, and this is what the Shokunin believes. Such teaching is basic, and continues to be significant, from the earliest stages of apprenticeship through mastery of the craft. As Toshio Odate wrote in his book, Japanese Woodworking Tools, Japanese apprentices from the beginning are taught that speed is critical. The worst insult to a craftsman in Japan is to be called a slow worker. Shokunin has a social obligation to work hard for the general welfare of the people. This obligation is both spiritual and material. No matter what it is, if society requires it, the responsibility of the Shokunin to fulfill the request, just like a genuine samurai. Toshio Odate has given a case that society recognizes. It is the ability of the common tategu Shokunin or sliding door maker to produce one soy screen of high quality per day. Society thus comes to expect this speed from the Shokunin. If you become a Shokunin, each stroke of the saw, each shaving of the plane, and each cut of the chisel is vital. High concentration is essential, because each imprint and each aspect of the work is permanent. For products that you finish unsatisfied, you are not allowed to cancel to start over again. Society consciousness will require you to retain the work, despite personal dissatisfaction. Thus, a Shokunin's relationship with their tools is very close, for it is through the tools that the Shokunin's work is created. Every tool of the Shokunin is their life and pride.